And similarly, we can also create namespace using kube-c-tl create namespace. And we can also delete pods. Quickly, we're going to create one namespace. Kube-c-tl create namespace. The name of the namespace is my namespace. You can create any of the namespace, but any meaningful respect to your project. So namespace is created now, and if we run the kube-c-tl get namespaces again, it should display that. There it is. And obviously there won't be any pods here, but we're going to create in our next session.